For those who are very fussy about the food and more specifically the protein, carbs and fats, there are a lot of confusion that's going on when it comes to the fat. So in this video, I want to really break it down as to what are the good ones and what are the bad ones and what are the moderate ones. So when it comes to the fat and reading the labels on fat, all you need to remember is number 5. So first one is the saturated fat. Now this one needs to be taken in moderation because taking a large quantity has a chance to increase your LDL, which is low density lipoprotein that has correlation with the heart disease. Second one is a monounsaturated fat. It needs to be consumed in moderation where it has a high chance of regulating or probably even lowering the low density lipoprotein, which is going to help you with your heart health. Thirdly, polyunsaturated fat. So this is essential when it comes to your body function, your cell function, your cell structure, but it has to be consumed in moderation. Consuming the polyunsaturated fat on a large quantity will lead you to inflammation, which is not good, and again excess of calories, which is 9 calories for every gram, not a good idea. Fourth is a trans fat, the worst of it all, and if you can avoid it completely, the better it is. Again, what are the food that contains the trans fat? You can find it in the caption. Lastly, essential fatty acids. As the name suggests, this is the most important fatty acids of all. Now, what falls into essential fatty acids? It's omega-3 and omega-6. Now, omega-3 is going to be super helpful for your heart health, for your joint, for your brain function, well, the overall wellness. So omega-3 is what you need to aim for. Having said that, omega-6 is also important. I hope this video was useful. Share it to anyone who is in need of this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.